I am truly honored today to inaugurate the Veer Jawan Talachira Jani Smriti Mandapam. I salute his tremendous courage and bravery in the face of death. He will always be a proud son of Edavakka. His story is very touching. In 2003, he was martyred during an anti-terror operation in Rajouri district of Kashmir, and he was awarded the Sena Medal posthumously for his service by the nation in 2004. 22 years have passed since that day, and yet I noticed when I came here to inaugurate this memorial to him that his mother still has tears in her eyes. As a mother and as the daughter of a martyr myself, I fully understand what it means. Your son was a noble person who gave his life for India. We owe him a great debt, and we owe a great debt to all those who have been martyred through the years and all those who have served in different forces on different borders of our nation, those who have given their lives, those who have spent a lifetime of service like some of you sitting here. We owe you all a great debt because it is our martyrs and those who serve the nation that uphold our freedom. They protect the freedoms that we take for granted. His father's one desire was to have a memorial in his name. I am very proud of you for having fulfilled that wish. And the reason that memorials like these are important is to remind us that whatever we have has come at a cost, that people have sacrificed to give us these freedoms, that people have sacrificed to build our democracy, and people have sacrificed for everything that we see in our daily lives. And that's why when we work in the service of others and in the service of our nation, it is very, very important for us to understand how deep the sacrifices that others have made for us are. When Mahatma Gandhi ji used to talk about freedom, he used to talk about the freedom of each and every Indian. A strong, vibrant and effective panchayat system is his dream. It was a dream that my martyred father Rajiv Gandhi attempted to fulfill when he had the Panchayati Raj Act passed during his tenure. And here in Kerala, our panchayats are an example to the whole of India. Your own panchayat has achieved so much. And my congratulations to both Pradeep Master ji and Ahmed Kutti ji for all the good work that they have done. You have been declared as a zero waste panchayat. This is a big achievement in today's date. And I know my sisters sitting here have a big contribution towards this. So I congratulate all of you for the good work that you do. And just like our great martyrs, when you strengthen the panchayat, when you do good and honest work, you also strengthen democracy, you also strengthen India. I would also like to thank the Kuniyaraman Nair Foundation Charitable Trust for donating the land for this memorial. And my compliments and best wishes to all of you once more for the wonderful work you are doing. I hope you continue to do this work and you never forget those who have laid their lives down to give you your freedom, to give us our freedom.